Good morning guys, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. I noticed for a while that my side stand has a lot of play. And I ordered those things and we're gonna renew them. So let's have fun. Come on over and we start. Here I have the stuff. I ordered it from a BMW dealer, of course. Let's see what's okay. This one, and this one. Okay, guys. It's this bolt. It's over there. Sort of spacers. These wonderful silver, pure silver, and of course we have this bushing with a hole into it. Okay, guys, behind the center stand there is a split pen, we call it. I'm not sure how you call it, but we have to take that wonderful split pen away. It's difficult with the camera, but hop. Okay, oops. Hopefully still can see it, yes. First we bend it to there, okay. Yes, and now we're gonna take it out. Take a hammer and this one, grab it by the tail. Okay, then carefully, there it comes. See? We're gonna renew that, huh? Of course. Oh, and there is a spacer. Not a spacer, a washer. Okay. Now guys, to have a good view for the camera, this is in the way. And that's easy to take it off. There is this slit over there, a slit over there, so you know exactly how it was mounted. But strangely enough, guys, this isn't Torx. It is an Allen bolt of 4. I'm gonna take my special ratchet. I love this much more. Think. Nope. Nope. You have to take that bolt all the way out. Okay. Pop, pop, pop. Then take this one off. Easy. There is a washer over here, I see. Gonna clean that too. And now we need to loosen this bolt. And that's a Torx. Let's see. Sure, it's clean. So you can go in all the way. Yep. Okay. Guys, that's Torx 50. And it is tied with 40 Newton meters, but let's give it a, yes, there he goes. We have to take the springs off. That's also easy. I have a trick for that. Take a grip vise. And, let's see, like this. up. Then shove it up and take it off. Now, not sure if it's, yes, there he is. Over here is your switch. Be careful with your switch, guys. Okay, there it goes. Hop, that's one. Out from this side. Yes. There. Yep, there he goes. Maybe it's up. Yes. We're gonna give it a clean, guys. That's easy with a bit of petrol, of course, huh? First thing we're gonna do, clean this one. Oh, oops. So. Okay, also on the back side. Okay. Not here anyway. Then wait. Okay. Yes. Over there and wait a minute. Hop. So when I clean it all the way, guys, huh? You know me by now. Those two wonderful bushing things. And this one. Okay. Guys, now I'm gonna put a bolt into it and carefully now, guys. Oops. Just long enough. Okay. Now, hold it in the middle, and then I think it's 17. Yes. look for a moment if it's perfectly going in the right way, because that's important, guys. Nice. Yep. Then. Okay. Yes. Perfect. Yep. There it goes. Okay. Yep. Nicely in place. Super. Well done. Guys, we're gonna give this a clean too, of course. Springs. Springs in the air. Oh. Okay. Then, now let's see. Here we got my center stand, guys. It's okay. Need a smaller one. I have a smaller one. Okay, there. Okay, now. Okay, that's right. Now, guys, it's not really brand new, but comes close. Okay. This hole is for the we need to clean that little hole too, guys. Hop. That's the lock hole for the center stand switch. If we clean it, you know by now, it clean it all the way. Wow. Old mechanic, well done. Okay, then let's see, guys. This one goes in here. This is EP2 grease, and it's special for these kind of applications. So, sure. Up. This one, and on that side too. Okay. Gonna do the same with this baby. Up. Up. So. There is now a slit in there, so let's give it everything. So, okay, this one is a bit slippery. Okay, then just for the fun, I'm gonna give this baby a bit of a grease too. But guys, it has a slit. The old one had a hole through it. Now, I'm not sure if I did that many years ago myself, but here I got my circlips, and you need a circlip of this one. And my circlip is 5.5 millimeters. So this is the one we need, but I'm sure it's a hassle to place that back. It's everything is in the way over there. So let's see. Eventually we're gonna get there, I'm sure.